Yo, what is happening, guys? I've decided to do a video today because the market obviously got absolutely destroyed yesterday. But we actually caught that move. If you guys joined my live stream yesterday, we caught that sell from CPI, right? Sorry, from non-farm payrolls. So NFP did us good. We placed that sell limit order. I hope you guys all got in. There was a couple of you guys that were placing your limits. So yeah, I'll go over the trade, and then I'm going to speak about what is going to happen for Bitcoin within this weekend and potentially within the next couple of weeks. It's going to be, yeah, I mean, Bitcoin hit 52K. So let's speak about that. So yesterday we were live and we were saying my strategy for NFP was taking some sells, right? If we can come up to the 57K, we literally, like, I don't know, this was one of the most perfect trades, guys. We hit 50. If you look at the top there, the top, it's $57,054. We entered there and hit our TP within pretty much less than 2 hours. So around about 54K, we made around about 80% on that trade because of the leverage was 20K. So now we have to speak about, let's pull up this chart, right? So what is happening with Bitcoin, guys? We are pretty much closing. We did actually close below this low. Actually respecting, to be fair, we closed respecting this low. So we might even see a little bit of a bounce here, guys, for Bitcoin. But overall, guys, I do think that we're gonna come and tap these lows, and if we lose that, we have bigger targets. And the bigger target is, let's have a look at this chart over here. I think it's this one, bangarang over here. So like, let's just remove all of this terrible looking stuff over here. But guys, if we lose that level that we just spoke about right now, honestly, guys, honestly speaking, we've been speaking about this. I've been bearish pretty much for the last month, and I've been telling people that we can come lower. And 47K, bang, if we tap that zone, we lose that. We're coming down to 41, even 37, right? Which is that trend line over there. So, yeah, the next couple of weeks will be great. Regardless, if you guys, you join the community, it's a free community that we do. And also the live streams, I think they're way more valuable than the community, to be honest with you, because I explain the trades that I'm taking. Like, we got a 80% move on yesterday's trade, right? So you want to make sure you always join the live. So make sure you guys always subscribe and keep those notifications on, guys. Keep those notifications on. I do appreciate you guys. The channel is going up a little bit more. Within the last couple of weeks, we're getting quite a few people in the lives. But yeah, I think right now, guys, the main important thing to do for Bitcoin, if you want to buy spots, I think you're gonna have to wait a little bit longer. Guys, we know we've been speaking about this for so long, guys, and everyone has been so bullish whilst we've been so bearish. But we have spoken about this, right? The September, this can still, it can still come back, but I doubt that's possible. September's historically bearish, but not too bad. So we might not get like a massive rip. The maximum pain we can probably get is a 15% downside, so maybe another 6-7% more. And then October, November, we're gonna see some green. So just stay patient, guys. Like, I know it's difficult in these times, but make sure you guys always watch the live streams. These are the targets for Bitcoin. Let's have a look at the lower time frames to see if we can actually get some setups. Okay, so we did lose this level. I was actually expecting a little bit of a bounce from here, but we've lost it. We have lost this level, which is absolutely crazy. So now, what is the game plan? So the game plan is very, very simple. Let's draw the fib from the low to the high here. I reckon we can probably come back up to like 54.8. I'll probably look for a sell there. Or if we come a little bit deeper to 55K, I'll be looking to sell back down to these lows. So I'll probably maybe not be trading this weekend, depending if we get some volume. But I've got some alerts set at these levels, and I'll let you guys know in the Telegram. So join the community. Links in the description, and I'll see you guys on Monday for a beautiful live stream. We're probably gonna get another beautiful trade. Thanks for always supporting, guys. I do appreciate. Have a good weekend. The sun's shining here today. It's a bit too hot to go outside. I was actually just outside, but it's crazy in this weather. So just stay safe, guys, and put some sunscreen on. Cheers.